Hello, welcome back to our channel Placements Nepal. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on exciting job opportunities like this one. Today, we have got an amazing internship opportunity for you with a team that's all about coding, creativity, and of course, a love for a tea. Let's dive right into it. Here are your day-to-day responsibilities. Create a scalable API with Node.js and Express.js, handle SQL, NoSQL databases, and system design components, analyze requirements and design technical solutions, craft reusable code using functional programming, develop proof of concepts with various languages and frameworks. Now let's talk about what you must have. You must have logical problem solving skills, high motivation and productivity, strong Node.js and Express.js experience, MongoDB expertise, and REST API creation with Node.js. It isn't just about work, it's about creating a vibrant, fun-loving community. Imagine being a part of this team that values its people as much as its products. So how can you apply to this job? So I have provided the link to this form in the description of this video. Click on that. So one good thing about this job is that even if you are in final year of your graduation, then also you can apply for this internship and you can get it. So to apply, just fill the basic information that is being asked and submit this form. If you get selected, you will get a mail in the same email ID that you have given here. So if you are ready to join this fantastic team and work on the next big things in SaaS, don't hesitate. Hit that apply button and let your journey begin. Thanks for tuning in today, folks. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on incredible job opportunities. Until next time, stay awesome and keep job hunting with Placements Nepal. Goodbye.